We have specialized in the manufacture of vacuum furnaces for nearly 20 years. We operate a machining shop, multiple assembly workshops, and a brazing shop, supported by a team of experienced designers, assembly workers, and electrical engineers. From vacuum furnace design to the production of furnace shells and chambers, through to the final assembly and commissioning of complete units, we possess end-to-end manufacturing and delivery capabilities. Additionally, we offer outsourced brazing services. We have extensive experience in automotive radiators, EGR systems, diamond cutting tools, and server liquid cooling products, including water distributors, water blocks, and bellows. We offer a wide range of furnace types, including high and low temperature vacuum brazing furnaces, vacuum oil gas quenching furnaces, vacuum hot press furnaces, and vacuum sintering furnaces. Welcome to contact us.